Dear students, let us start business marketing in that module 1. Before going to the subject, let us see what is meant by market. See, according to American Marketing Association, market is the aggregate demand of potential buyer for a product or services. So, what is meant by marketing? According to as per AMA, marketing is concerned with the people and activities involved in the flow of goods and services for the production from the consumption. So, it is called as a marketing. See, marketing refers to activities a company undertakes to promote the buying or selling of a product or service or goods. It is one of the primary component we can tell of business management and commerce. Marketers can direct their products to other business or directly to the consumers. So this is known as a marketing. Marketing management means it is the process of planning and executing the consumption of pricing, promotion, and distribution of goods and services and ideas to create exchange with target groups that satisfy with the customer and organization objectives. The definition of marketing is the social process by which individuals and groups obtain what they need and wants through creating and exchange of products or the values with the other, according to the Phillips Kotler. So, it is the management process that identifies, anticipates, and satisfies customer requirement profitability according to the chartered institutions of marketing like CIM. So, marketing is not just selling, it is about knowing and understanding our customers. The marketing concepts are three major components are there. All companies' activities should begin with and be based on the recognition of a fundamental customer's needs. A customer orientation should be integrated throughout the functional areas of the firm: production, engineering, finance and R&D, research and development. Customer satisfaction is viewed as the means to long-term profitability goals. So we are, as usual, you have read in UG. It is a concepts of market. It classified into traditional market and concept and modern marketing concepts are there, like production oriented concepts, sales oriented concepts, product concepts, marketing concepts, consumer oriented concept and social marketing concepts. Even you can see that approaches of marketing also is there, that is commodity approach, functional approach, institutional approach and managerial or decision making approaches and system approaches. Already you read as we know this that one, that is functions of marketing. According to the Clark, major classified activities performed in the marketing. The process of marketing classified into mainly three types. That is a functional of exchange. In that we can see buying, assembling, and selling. And the second one, functions of physical supply. In that the points are there. That is transportation, warehousing, and storage. And third one, facilitating function. In that, the several points are there like financing, risk bearing, standardization, and grading, marketing information, then pricing, branding, packaging, sales promotion, advertising, salesmanship. So these are the functions of marketing. As we know, that is a recent trend in marketing like e-commerce or e-business. Models in e-business, business to business, consumer to business, consumers to consumer, and consumers to business. So these and consumers to government. So these are the elements of business, e-business, like telemarketing, mobile marketing, and green marketing are the recent trends of marketing. So let us see what is industrial marketing. Industrial marketing is also referred as in a business to business marketing or business marketing or organizational marketing. Industrial marketing is a market of products and service to the business organization. Business organization include manufacturing companies, educational institutions like hospitals, distributors and dealers. So, it is a process or practice of individual or organization including a commercial business, government and institutions. It allows them to sell product or service to other company or organization that can be resell them, use them in their products or services or use them to support their work. So it is also known as a industrial marketing or business to business marketing. Disputes sharing a dynamic of organization marketing with marketing to government, business to government marketing is differently. That is, business marketing is often directed to individual within a company what act on behalf of need of the organization. So business to business marketing involves any products or services a company purchase to resale, use as a components in their own products or services, or to support their daily operation. And any given business to business transaction can involve years of complex marketing effects, including with the online and offline promotion. So, the marketing of goods and services is commercial enterprises, government, and other non profit institutions. Meaning of industrial marketing: industrial marketing is the marketing of goods and services from one business to another. So, it is also known as B2B business marketing, and business marketing or industrial marketing are used interchangeable. So, the definition of business marketing: the activities of buying and selling goods, manufacturing goods, or providing services in order to make a profit. It is an institution organized and operated to provide a goods and services to the society under the incentives of private gain by Wheeler Bevo. So this author has given the definition of business marketing.